What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I made over 40% on Palantir, and then I'll also show you guys a play that I'm currently in that I think will do very well. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a free trading community where we can talk about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Alrighty guys, so right here we have Palantir pulled up on the chart, and I actually made a video about Palantir last week about how they have demo day coming up this week Wednesday and why you should be keeping an eye on the stock. If you missed that video, definitely turn on post notifications so you don't miss great opportunities like this. But without further ado, I'll show you guys the play that I entered and how I made over 40%. So if we zoom in a little bit more on Palantir, I have this support line mapped out right around 2280, and this was a key level for Palantir. We can see a few times they dipped below it, but they formed this double bottom right around here. Right around here, they formed that double bottom and broke back above that resistance and kind of started consolidating. And also, I knew that demo day was coming up on Wednesday, so this is the main reason why I was playing Palantir calls. The previous day, Palantir dumped pretty hard. I was really green on my contracts, and then I went negative, but I still held those contracts till today. And as we can see, we got a nice push to the upside, and Palantir is still continuing to go up. So that was the play on Palantir. I also put a screenshot on the screen of my contract. As we all know, stocks like to repeat things that they've done in the past, and if we zoom back out, this is where Palantir had demo day in January and the stock ran up tremendously. So I covered that in my last video talking about why you should be expecting a run up on Palantir this time, but not as high. So definitely check out my free Discord channel in the description down below if you want to hop into some plays like this. But without further ado, I'll show you guys the play that I'm currently in and why you should be keeping an eye on that play as well. And that play is SPY. Right now I am in SPY puts. As we can see, SPY has been in a nice uptrend over the past year or so, and they're looking pretty nice. But right here I have this overhead resistance mapped out on SPY, and if we zoom in right here, we'll see that SPY is right at my overhead resistance. Not only that, but as you can see, the RSI is right around those overbought, overvalued territories. And if we zoom back out, every time SPY was overbought on the RSI, we had a slight pullback back to the downside, which is forming the bottom of this upward channel. So this is something I'm keeping an eye on. SPY ran up from 385 all the way back up to now trading at 413. This is definitely in those high areas for SPY, so I'm definitely expecting a pullback soon. And I'll show you guys now the contracts that I'm in so that you could potentially hop in them as well. Right here we are on Robinhood, and as you can see, I have SPY puts selected. Whenever you're buying puts, make sure you have buy and then put. And the expiration I chose was April 19th. This is a little bit more risky. You could go April 23rd, but I'm in April 19th contracts. I have the 411 put right here. My average cost is $142. So as you can see, I'm already up about $9 on my contract, and I actually alerted it out to my group as well. Right here you can see today at 3:02 I said SPY puts, SPY is very overextended, and then I also put a screenshot of what I was looking at for the chart. Also, we have other callouts going on in my group as well. As you can see, Pago, he's an analyst, and he called out a nice play today that is up over $100 already. So definitely check out my group in the description down below. But back to SPY, this is the contract that I'm looking at. The delta is 36, which is pretty good. So for every dollar SPY goes down, I will gain $36 on my contract. The theta isn't that bad, but as I said before, if you want to play a little bit more safe, definitely pick a further out expiration. SPY has been running up like crazy. Now, if we go back to the chart, if we go to the daily time frame, which holds up better than the 4-hour, we'll see as well on the daily time frame, SPY hasn't been overbought on the RSI in a long time. Right here, we kind of got to that area on the RSI, but never quite got above to the overbought territory. And right here, we can see, bam, we are getting that signal that it's overbought. Previously, when it was overbought like this on the daily time frame, we had a major pullback to this 100 SMA. So definitely expect some downside on the market pretty soon. Overall, I'm bullish on the market, but you can play these short-term moves to the downside. As we can see, SPY doesn't just go straight up forever. It has pullbacks occasionally, and this is an area where I see a lot of people taking profits. So definitely expect a pullback. My price target for SPY personally, I wouldn't be surprised if SPY retested around the $400 level, which is their previous swing high. That would be a pretty big move to the downside. I'm not quite sure if it will get there, but definitely expect some decent moves to the downside. And we can see the MACD as well is very overextended, so that's something to keep an eye on as well. So let me know what you guys think about this play that I'm currently in. I'll keep you guys updated. I'll also post a trading recap video once I exit the play, and I want to know what you guys think of it in the comment section down below, and whether or not you'll be hopping into these SPY puts as well. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.